Jollibee's and Popeyes. Let's go with the Popeyes spicy first. Crispy, spicy right away. Chicken is moist, good coating, not too thick. Lychee tea. It's okay. 7 now for the Jollibee's. Same amount of spice. Seems like it's been marinated longer. Does that make sense? The flavor seems to be deeper. This particular thigh is more overcooked than the Popeyes thigh. Jollibee's got a more in-depth 3D flavoring, like it's been marinated for a longer time, so it is penetrating the chicken more. But the flavoring is both good. I'm gonna have to give the nod to Jollibee's. I never get dessert at a chicken place. That's pretty damn good. That is filled with some nice, evenly flavored peach and mango flavor. Very similar to like an apple pie. This is a damn good fast food pie. I'm gonna give that like a 9 out of 10. For this battle, Jollibee for the win.